if you want to know, we make some of the cooking videos. Now this is a special food and we don't know what is the name. Pulao is the name, so get it. We don't know actually, but I just guessed and it's correct. So
yeah. So it's a special.
You can see ingredients are added first and we mixed very easily.
This is potato, not apple. You will be mixed up. Then this is carrot. Then
now
broccoli.
we put some broccoli and some
what pepper?
Pepper.
Yeah.
And we mix it all together.
Yeah, like mix. Then this
Spring onion.
Yeah. Then the pepper.
Now we add pepper. Now we add some salt and mix. After mixing a while, we have to put rice. Cook the rice.
Then the rice will be
Rice will be mixed.
Yeah, first mix the
rice.
rice.
In a cooker, guys, not in a pot. In a cooker.
Yeah, in a pot. And
now we add some water. I think it's hot water or normal water. Hot water. It's not normal water.
Yeah.
Now after one whistle, we have to close it. Now we are making our first breakfast pancakes.
It's pancakes, my favorite. Everybody's favorite. Pancakes.
Subscribe, like and share to our channel. So don't forget, every day, please subscribe. We need to make a lot of subscribers.
This is a flower. This is a flower. Yeah, flower. But then it will be.
We won't show a day in our life to school. So next video we will maybe make. Today itself we will make some shorts.
Yeah, make some shorts. Already my sound is like a squeaky baby. And
now we open after making our pancakes. And you can see it's very delicious.
Delicious.
And the taste is very good. We finished it. It's very yummy and we did not eat the potatoes. I don't know why.
I think that was apples.
But that was potato. But I ate raw potatoes. My friend ate raw potatoes.
I think that was apples and I didn't eat that. I didn't eat it, but
now we are putting in the chicken. You can see that is cooked and we did not show you guys. And if you know that we have 2 lunch boxes.
Yeah, one for me, one for my sister. Then one the first break, one the second break, like that.
And this is not a day in our life, so don't guess it wrong. And don't question me.
Bye guys.
Bye guys. Welcome